What is Wi-Fi roaming? In large industrial settings or complex facilities, Wi-Fi connectivity may be provided through multiple access points, APs. Mobile devices like automated guided vehicles, AGVs, must efficiently switch between APs to ensure uninterrupted operations. This process is known as Wi-Fi roaming. Wi-Fi roaming enables AGVs to maintain connectivity while navigating diverse network environments within the facility. However, during roaming, the device may experience packet loss, especially when the roaming time is longer. What is flash roaming? To prevent packet loss, flash roaming connects first with the new AP before disconnecting from the original one, ensuring less than 5 milliseconds roaming time in 5 GHz and under 30 milliseconds roaming time in 2.4 GHz. This feature allows AGVs to seamlessly switch connection points, vital for uninterrupted operations in industrial settings.